It's a good time to talk about waveforms and how those can really help you with your editing. So when I'm looking at my footage here, it's kind of hard to tell when the talking begins, but audio and specifically waveforms are a great indicator and they can help you speed up your editing process significantly. So the waveforms are down here. You can see them indicated by these lines. And as you can see, this is where the talking begins, and I'm able to tell because the waveforms get louder. Before this point here, it's pretty much silent, right? Waveforms are super low, they're not going very high, but then suddenly the waveforms get way higher here. For me as an editor, that indicates that that's where the speaking is beginning in the clip. So rather than constantly playing it back and listening to the clip over and over again, I'm just going to look at the waveforms and be like, oh, okay, that's exactly where the clip is starting with the speaking. I'm going to press Control B on my keyboard to delete everything before it, and then just delete the silence there. Now, if I go back to clip 5 here and play through, we're on our way to our first exhibit. And there we go. Now the speaking begins right away. And we can use waveforms on the other side of the clip as well. So I can see right here, this is about the point where I'm done talking. Let's go to the very end and press play. There we go. Looks like I stopped speaking right about here. So again, I'll click on my clip, press Control B, and then delete the silence on the end of the clip.